Hi.
Hi.
How's the ride?
Hot.
Where are we?
Not in Watertown.
Probably gonna look weird. People watching, like, what's he clapping for?
Why is he clapping at his wife?
If they were watching and saw the cameras get turned on, they would know. What the hell?
He's going.
I guess. Hey, two-wheeled friends, we are on our way down to Lincoln, Nebraska for the Great Plains Moto Meet. Going to be meeting at Frontier Harley-Davidson on Saturday, May the 14th. We're rolling down the day before. We are not quite halfway, roughly. Had a little bit of a scare with Mrs.TWOWHEELD and kind of losing track of where her fuel was. And I think we rolled into Yankton here with, I don't know, what was it, like less than 10 miles to E or something like that?
Yeah, like 7.
Yeah, she's got a little smaller fuel tank on her Heritage than I do. And I was hoping that we wouldn't have to run into town and grab a fuel can and go put gas in just to get her into town. But all is good. We're kind of taking the back way. Last year we blasted down on the interstate. This year we're taking all the 2-lane highways. And like I said, we're going through Yankton, South Dakota right now. We just put a little food in our belly. And we're about ready to go over the Missouri River. And as we do, we will be crossing over into Nebraska.
State line. We're officially in Nebraska.
Yeah.
Which Nebraska state law is you have to have a helmet on if you're riding a motorcycle.
That is true.
We are prepared. Which we don't go out without our helmets on anyway.
Right. Nebraska, the good life. That's where O.J. Utter got his Good Life Riders name. I have a feeling we should be in the other lane. I mean,
okay, let's go over.
We're going the speed limit, but get passed by everybody.
Yeah, we're clearly not going fast enough. Which, I mean, I'm doing 50, and what didn't we see the light, or not the light, but the sign for 45?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never been on this stretch of road.
Neither have I.
I've been on that bridge before, but then I turned around and went back.
Just to say that you crossed the bridge?
Yeah, I think I was just checking it out or something. I don't know. I know you can go down there by the river too and hang out. Yeah, we'll see how much wind noise this produces. Probably won't keep the cameras on too long. Just wanted to kind of give a little bit of footage of that river and where we are at in our adventure.
It's very hilly. Up a hill, down a hill. Up a hill, down a hill.
Yeah, I kind of like that though, because it creates the scenery.
Yeah. You know, it's funny, like when I'm in my Jeep, I want to go fast and I want to just, you know, pass everyone and get out of my way, and I want to get there and just be done. But when I'm on the bike, it's an entirely different mindset. It's like, you know what, I'm okay going the speed limit. Maybe 1, 2 over, but I have no rush.
Yeah, it's kind of like just slow down and take in life as it's happening around us.
Stop and smell the roses.
I didn't see any, but
I didn't either.
not stopping to smell the roses. I saw some other flowers though. I'd smell some smoke from right there.
Yep. Stop and smell the campfire.
Yeah, I don't know how my audio is going to sound with all this wind, but this is the furthest Molly has ever been on a motorcycle from home.
Without being on the pillion.
Without being on the pillion, yep. So this is another milestone that you guys are experiencing on the Two-Wheeled channel.
And we're taking the highway that is primarily straight, and we have learned that I'm really good at going straight.
Yep, first time that she's used cruise control on a motorcycle.
Well, I did test it the other day when we got onto 212.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Just to make sure that it worked. Yeah, that is a very nice feature that I never had before.
Yeah, we're battling about 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, and I think there's some higher gusts. And I don't know so much down this way what the wind was supposed to do, but I know it was supposed to die down after 4 o'clock. Well, it's supposed to go down to about 15, and it is currently 3:23. So we'll see what happens. We're about 10 miles north of Norfolk, Nebraska, and you can see for miles and miles, as far as the eye can see from up on top of that hill. They have a lot of construction through this area. It appears that they're either taking bridges out or culverts, or as I was referring to it to Mrs.TWOWHEELD as culvers.
Butterburgers.
Yep, they're taking all the butterburgers out and putting new butterburgers in. And the speed limit is up and down between 45, 50, and 65. But we're not getting over 65 much.
I'm lucky if we get over 60.
Yeah, we're going 62 right now.
Yeah, we're in a parade.
Yeah. There's one vehicle that got we're 12 miles from Norfolk. But
Well, we can pray that a good chunk of these vehicles are gonna turn somewhere.
I'm sure.
I hope. I think I counted like five or six vehicles in front of us.
Yeah, there's 2 semis. One vehicle got brave and got in between them.
I think there's a U-Haul.
Is that what that is in front of this one?
I think so. Okay, now we're down to 50.
Yep.
We're hiring drivers. Because the customers aren't happy they're not getting their stuff on time.
It's a good life here in Nebraska. Nobody's in a hurry to get anywhere.
That's right. Except for our joints. Our joints hurt.
Yeah, even my jaw joints hurt.
What?
I don't know, my right jaw's kind of hurting. I don't know if it's this chin strap or if I'm having a heart attack.
Oh, I hope not.
Yeah, that'd be scary on a motorcycle. I mean,
Yeah.
it'd be scary
general.
anytime, but yeah. Oh, it just kind of hurts. Oh, do I get to shift back into 5th? Well, we'll probably be back for an update when we get into Norfolk. Norfolk, Nebraska. Cruising down Johnny Carson Boulevard. Evidently, maybe Johnny Carson's from this area. Don't know enough about him, I guess. Might be something we have to research. This would be our first time through this town. Know where you're taking us?
Straight. Right?
I think so. I don't know, as long as we're going south, I guess. You a little hot in that helmet? I can see a little sweat on your nose.
Yeah. I'm very warm.
sure why I'm recording through Norfolk, but thought maybe something would stand out. I'm gonna go to the museum.
Maybe.
Turn left at the Zippy Lube.
Huh.
Think we can go there and get a 10-minute oil change? That's what it said.
Time 'em.
Yeah, I need to open up my vents in my jacket or something. I don't have the back open, but
I think I need to shed a layer.
got a CVS and a Walgreens.
It's funny. Should've just stayed in the other frickin' lane.
Yeah, it's about the same. There's a Jimmy's John's. Red light, green light, red light, green light. I don't even know how big this town is, what the population is.
And then I'm like, are my vents open on the top?
I know.
I think they are.
Truck. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, you should do it. Thanks, you too. Woo, it's turning green.
Yay.
I gotta put my visor back down so I can not be blinded. Oh, hey.
Hey.
Hey, we got a head of the U-Haul.
Miracle.
He said he was looking at a trike.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I got that on camera too. I forgot I was recording. We can get over now if you want. I'll move over first though.
Oh, yeah.
I'm
Still 35? No.
Well, I don't know. It changes to 50 after the stoplight.
How do you say that?
Tehazuka. Zauka? I don't know. There we have the Brown River. No, I don't know what the name of that river is, but it was sure brown. Sure, at some point this lane ends.
Yeah, I don't know. Like looking at the signs and
I saw all the signs. Cancel. I did. 70. All right, leaving Norfolk. Catch you at the next town. Hi.
Hi.
How's the ride?
Hot.
Where are we?
Not in Watertown. Come on Columbus, Nebraska. Not Columbus, Ohio. Columbus, Nebraska.
Columbus, Nebraska. Should have looked at what the temp was down here.
Hot.
Yeah, it is hot.
There's no wind.
We had to bundle up when we left town. It was like high 50s roughly when we left.
Yeah.
And I had the liner in and my Dixon flannel and the leather. And you had your pants and you had your liner too, right?
I still have my liner in.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I had my sweatshirt.
Yeah, and you shed that.
Yeah.
And I shed my winter gloves and put my summer gloves on because, yeah, it's definitely hot. I got bug guts.
Yep. Same.
But yeah, we're gonna head up past this stoplight to the next stoplight, hook a right, head back south, and go south for a little ways.
Then head east to our destination.
Yep, do you remember the directions?
On the right.
Do you remember what I said?
Down to 81 to 92 to 79.
Sounds about right. Okay.
Well, like I said, I could put my phone in this little jobby dealer. So then I can watch it, but...
All right, well, let's go do a little riding.
Okay, let's go. Oh, my arms are like jello.
Oh, that was loud in my ears.
Me now.
That was a high decibel. So you're gonna go back out the way we came in?
I think that'd be the smartest one.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in front of you.
Yeah, you got a whole parking lot to turn in, so.
Yeah, I know. No, I don't.
Car.
Yeah.
I'll drive across the stripes. Then I can't. I'll drive across the stripes, and you can't tell me I'm going the wrong way. Now we're killing a few bugs. We had one guy at a station we were filling up. I don't think we talked about that, but he asked if that was in Yankton. He asked if we have videos that we put out, so gave him a sticker. And today, just on the ride, there's been about 4 or 5 new subscribers, so maybe people are seeing Two-Wheeled on the helmet, and maybe the guy that we saw at the gas station that we did not catch his name. So if you're watching, say hi down below in the comments. Jeez, that was about a chain reaction fender bender. Did you see that?
What was that Audi trying to do?
I don't know.
Or Audi, whatever it's called.
Audi.
Audi.
I don't know. I don't see any signs that stoplight either. So I don't think it was this one because I don't see an 81 sign. Guess we'll just keep going until we see it. Because I should be up there somewhere. It said a half mile back there, a couple blocks. So
did it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come back and stay at the Columbus Inn or Ramada tomorrow night.